what's up and welcome back to my channel. Today we have a product review. We are doing a deep dive into the Xenjoy Cube Cycle. This is a pretty groundbreaking at-home bike. It is more like a sleek piece of furniture than fitness equipment, and I think it blends perfectly into the background here. And it is great for my new apartment. If y'all noticed, I am filming in a new space now. It is super easily movable. It's perfect for working out at any time, whether you're taking calls, doing work, or just chilling at home. Right off the bat, the bike comes in its box fully assembled. It makes things really easy. It weighs just about 50 pounds total. There's no setup required. This is literally the entire setup montage. It's ready to go, usable in under a minute. And voila! I'm kind of obsessed with the beautiful walnut wood finish and this comfortable large cushioned leather seat. It also comes with these massaging non-slip footbed pedals, and the other side is flat, so you have two options, perfectly designed for long-lasting comfort. The bike is great for a compact space. It measures 27.8 inches long, 16.5 inches wide, and 33.7 inches tall when you put the adjustable seat at its tallest position. In total, it takes up less than 3.2 cubic feet of space, but has a max capacity of an impressive 300 pounds. And it comes with these handy wheels so that you can easily roll the bike around the house or into storage. One of my favorite uses for the Cube Cycle is while working from home. Now, I'm pretty particular about my work from home setup from both an aesthetic and a practical perspective. I want everything to look cute, cohesive, and I don't really want any distractions while I'm working. And I found that most other fitness equipment, like your at-home treadmills, at-home bikes, all of that, it either takes up too much space, it's not so easily portable, it's too complicated to set up, or frankly, it just doesn't look good. But really, the Xenjoy Cube Cycle has checked all of my boxes. First of all, the seat is easily adjustable for people of all heights to use, and it's great for use in storage under a standing desk. There are 10 different height settings, and here I'm just showing you the min and the max. Here I am adjusting my standing desk height from my seated office chair setting to the appropriate height I've preset for biking. And I've already raved about the look. Most under-the-desk bikes feel like gym equipment. This really feels and looks like furniture. You really don't have to hide it away or move it into storage, which just makes my life a whole lot easier. And what's more, when I work from home, I'm on calls all the time, so another big reason why I love this bike is because I can use it without anyone noticing. The bike offers 8 different resistance levels, so if I'm using one of the lower settings, I can wear my everyday work clothes and get a light workout in without breaking a sweat. And maybe more importantly, it is whisper quiet. In fact, my typing is a lot louder than the bike itself, so if I'm taking a call, there's really no disturbance at all. This work from home setup is actually just one of my go-to uses for the Xenjoy Cube Cycle. If you're anything like me, you're probably thinking, okay, great, so you can use this bike when you're working from home for a light workout, just get your steps in when you're working, but can you actually get a legit workout from it? The answer is yes. When I'm done working and I'm ready for a full-on workout, I just wheel my bike into the living room and set it up in front of my TV. Now, I get kind of bored pretty easily when I'm doing cardio, so I just love that this bike is so compact, it's so easily movable and very quiet, so I can set it up here in my living room, turn on my favorite show, and work out. Now, I'm just dialing up the resistance here for a more intense workout. At maximum level 8, you can burn up to 155 calories per 10 minutes. There's also this great built-in LED screen where you can track all of your fitness data, calories, duration, and speed. And if you want to more closely track your workout, the bike is compatible with all of these fitness apps. One of my favorite uses, I love pairing this bike workout with my wrist weights for a nice full body burn. So all in all, I hope you can see just how nicely the Cube Cycle integrates into your home routine, especially if you're a remote or hybrid worker or you live in a compact apartment space. Now, if you're a super serious cyclist and you're looking for a really intense workout, something like a Peloton HIIT style sort of thing, this probably isn't going to be the best fit for you, but it really is perfect if you want a low impact way to stay active in the comfort of your own home. So if you want to check out the Cube Cycle for yourself, you can find it linked in the description down below, along with my 10% off discount code. And when you purchase the Cube Cycle, you do get free shipping and a 2-year warranty on it. If you have any more questions, please feel free to leave me a comment. Otherwise, thank you all so much for tuning in, and I will see you next time.